Okay, read the problem. Looks like we have 4 parts. The first thing says to find r of x. Well, r of x is x times p. And they gave me a demand equation, which is my price. So r of x is x times 250 minus 2x. And that's 250x minus 2x squared. So r of x is negative 2x squared plus 250x. Now it says find p of x. Well, p of x is r of x minus revenue minus cost. And cost, I have fixed cost of 4,000 and a variable cost of 2. So my c of x is 2x plus fixed, which is 4,000. So I can find my profit now. P of x is revenue minus 2x squared plus 250x minus parentheses, because cost has got 2 terms and we want this negative sign to go with both terms. So this is negative 2x squared plus 250x. Distribute the negative 1 minus 2x minus 4,000. And we have some like terms. So negative 2x squared plus 248x minus 4,000. And that's the profit. Now, what's part C say? Find the value of x that maximizes profit. What is the max profit? Profit equation is quadratic. Quadratic equations are to the second degree. And the graph is a parabola. In this case, it opens down. And we want to maximize. This makes sense because the maximum occurs at the vertex. So x equals negative b over 2a. And that's going to be negative, here's my b right here, and here's my a. So that's going to be negative 248 over 2 times a negative 2. And that gave me 62. And now we want to figure out, because that's the value of x is 62, what is the maximum profit? We want to find p of 62 to actually find the amount of profit. That's negative 2 times 62 squared plus 248 times 2 minus 4,000. And that is, I used my calculator and got 3688 for my amount of profit. Now, what price will maximize profit? What am I trying to find? Am I trying to find profit or am I trying to find price? I'm trying to find price, and the price equation is given as 250 minus 2x. What price will maximize profit? Well, to find price, I need to have a value to substitute in for x. And it's talking about where maximizing, what number of units maximizes profit. That's 62. So price equals 250 minus 2 times 62, and that price is 126.